students, today I am going to make you understand irrigation of the first chapter of class 8, that is crop production. Crop production. Irrigation. Watering of crops or the crop field time to time at the proper interval is called irrigation. समय समय पर खेतों में पानी देना या खेतों में उगाए गए पौधों के ऊपर पानी देना इरिगेशन कहलाता है. इसे हिंदी में हम सिंचाई कहते हैं. This irrigation is essential. What is the reason of this irrigation? Why do we need to irrigate the plants or the crop field? It is because to maintain the moisture in the soil. If there will be moisture in the soil, seeds will germinate. Plants can obtain their nutrients from the soil and go through the process of photosynthesis. And this irrigation starts at the time of preparation of soil. You must remember, I have told you that before plowing, field is irrigated, crop field is irrigated, so that they can make the soil soft, and because of that plow can move easily to turn up the soil. So this irrigation is the essential part of the crop production. The method of irrigation, and you know, this irrigation depends. It depends, or the frequency of irrigation depends on season, soil and crops. Season means if there is a rainy season, then less irrigation of field, because automatically we get water from nature. And some soil like clay soil and sandy soil. Sandy soil needs more water because sandy soil lacks the holding capacity of water. But clay soil can hold the water for longer period of time. So in clay soil, more irrigation is not needed. Crops, kharif crops. You must be knowing, to grow the kharif crops, we need stagnant water, good amount of water. But for rabi crops, we don't need that much of water. So that is why frequency of irrigation depends on season, soil and crops. This irrigation method is of two types: modern method and traditional method. Traditional method is actually carrying of water from lakes, ponds, rivers and giving to the crop fields from traditional method. That I'll explain in my next video. Today I'm going to make you understand about modern method of irrigation. This modern method of irrigation has two very important methods. The first one is sprinkler method. This sprinkler method is useful in those areas where land is uneven. जहाँ की जमीन उबड़ खाबड़ होती है, वहाँ के लिए ये स्प्रिंकलर मेथड बहुत ही यूजफुल है. ये स्प्रिंकलर मेथड है क्या, इसको किस तरह से हम इरिगेशन के लिए यूज करते हैं? This is actually a network of pipe. This is the network of pipe which has rotating nozzles at the top. इस तरह से हमारा फील्ड होता है, क्रॉप फील्ड्स होते हैं. इस क्रॉप फील्ड्स के बीच से पाइप आता है और इस पाइप में, and on which pipe there is a nozzle, rotating nozzle at the top, in which water is supplied. Water is supplied to the main pipe, and then it goes to the nozzles, and nozzles start rotating. While rotating, it sprinkles the water both the sides. So it ensures the uniform irrigation of uneven land. इस रोटेटिंग नोजल से निकलने वाले पानी जो है इवन अनइवन लैंड को भी प्रॉपर अमाउंट में पानी दे देते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट द मॉडर्न मेथड ऑफ इरिगेशन. एंड यू नो इट ऑल्सो इंश्योर्स the lack of waste, the less of wastage of water. The less of wastage of water. Second method, the second very important method of irrigation, modern method of irrigation is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation. In this what happened? In this drip irrigation what happened? This is very useful in those areas where lack of water is there, water scarcity is there, जहां पानी की बहुत कमी है. मोस्टली राजस्थान के गंगानगर में ये ड्रिप इरिगेशन यूज किया जाता है. In this method, you know what happened? In this method, water is given drop by drop just near the root of the plant. The same process, a network of pipe is there, and every pipe has branched pipe which goes to the root of plants, where water is supplied to the roots of the plant drop by drop. It ensures continuous supply of water. First of all, it ensures continuous supply of water without wastage. बिना किसी वेस्टिंग के ये जो है ये पानी खेतों को देता है. एंड अनदर थिंग इज व्हाट, इट इज वेरी यूजफुल इन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सॉइल? इन सैंडी सॉइल, बिकॉज वी नो वेल दैट सैंडी सॉइल हैज लेस कैपेसिटी टू होल्ड द वाटर. So drip irrigation is very useful in sandy soil or the crops which are grown in sandy soil. As I have told you that it also ensures there is less chances of wastage of water. You can say no chance of wastage of water. This is all modern method of irrigation. Thank you, students. In my next video, I'll be explaining the next topic of crop production. I hope you'll like this explanation, so please subscribe it. Thank you.